Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marceline Carnada. I am 37 years old, married with 3 kids, 19, 18, 15 years old. I am high school graduate.
Okay, can you please describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honestly, responsibility person.
Okay, if you will get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband is take care of my children.
Okay, can you please tell me about your work experience?
I worked as housemaid in Philippines for 9 years. From 2014-2023, I served 5 families, member a couples with 3 children, aged 19, 18, 15. My main duties are cleaning, washing of clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, taking care of children.